Are you wondering what to get the curly girl in your life for Christmas? This video is here to help. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you like my hat? I like my hat. It's making me feel all warm and fuzzy. Today's video is going to give you some ideas, some tips, some tricks for things to put on your Christmas wish list, and or you could share this video with your friends and family, wink, wink, so that they could get some gift ideas, suggestions for you for this holiday. Because if you're watching this video, more than likely you have wavy curly hair and would love some awesome tools to help you achieve the healthiest hair goals, all the things you want. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. First off, the best gift you could get anyone for Christmas is this black rag. It's really the perfect hair care towel. Really, anyone with hair in your family would benefit from using this. This is a microfiber towel. It's paper thin, it's lightweight, it's very soft and very smooth. It's going to improve your hair's health and shorten your hair drying time, no matter what the texture of your hair. But especially if you have wavy curly hair, having a really nice, high quality microfiber towel just makes things easier. This one I have had for, I want to say over a year at this point. It lasts beautifully and I love it. I have literally used it every single day since the day I got it. And they do put it in a pack, a combo. You get the towel and this brush. I have also used this brush every single day, or every time I've washed my hair since I got it. It is basically a wet brush with the bendy bristles. They're slightly longer than the wet brush, which makes them more flexible and more better, in my humble opinion. This is my first recommendation for your curly girl holiday gift guide. My next holiday gift recommendation, I'm real excited about this one, is, drumroll please, the Strands shampoo and conditioner. I know, it's weird to get this excited about shampoo and conditioner, but guys, first off, you know the wavy curly scientist in me loves that they've copied the periodic table a little bit on their packaging. It makes me happy. But what is so cool about Strands Hair Care is that it combines a hair analysis with custom shampoo and conditioner formulations. I've talked about this in another video before, but they actually send you a kit so that you can collect your hair as you shed naturally. Don't rip your hair out and send it to them. Collect your naturally shed hair, you put it in a little Ziploc baggie and you mail it off to them. There are also even oil test strips that you can test the oiliness of your scalp with. And you give them all this data about your hair. They look at your hair. When they get your hair sample, they look at it under the microscope and they can tell you how fine your hair is, how damaged your hair is, what the protein content of your hair is, and you tell them exactly where you live. I mean, you're giving them your address so that they can send you the shampoo, so that's not so weird. But they actually look at the weather conditions of where you live as well, and they send you a formulation for your hair, exactly for your hair. My hair is very fine. It's not damaged. They showed me that it was low porosity, that the protein moisture balance in my hair was pretty spot on. This hat is starting to itch. It's so sad. I like it. Am I gonna have to take it off partway through the video? Maybe. Strands was so kind to sponsor this portion of today's video, And they are offering you guys a 25% off coupon. All you have to do is go to their website. I'll have the link in the description down below. Use the code STRANDS25 and you'll save 25% off at checkout. And let them know I sent ya. It's kind of awesome. I use this as the base for all my single styler experiments because it gives me, like, I don't have to use a leave-in after this and my hair stays balanced even though I am washing my hair back to back to back to back with this stuff. My hair's not becoming too hydrated or too heavily proteined. It's the perfect balance for my hair, which is unusual. I haven't run into that before. I have always had to switch up my shampoos and conditioners to keep my hair balanced. I am talking way too long about shampoos and conditioners. This is a great gift idea. And you can save 25% off and pick this up for a loved one. Next up, this is actually for somebody with curly hair. My first two recommendations could have been for anybody. This one can actually be for curly hair. I forgot to grab it out of my bathroom, but you can totally gift someone the Extava Black Orchid Diffuser. Yes, I know this looks a little bit like a torture device, but the biggest drawback to this awesome diffuser is that it is really hard and tricky to find a blow dryer that will fit this diffuser. You may get lucky and your current hair dryer will fit this diffuser, but if not, I would highly recommend also picking up this little device. I did remember to grab this out of my bathroom. This is the Snozzle Pro. It's the universal adapter for any attachment to a blow dryer. I use it personally to attach my Extava Black Orchid to my Dyson hair dryer, and it works beautifully for that. Also, the bonuses of the Extava Black Orchid are that it's a huge bowl, it's a big diffuser, and it dries your hair really quickly, which is nice because diffusing takes forever. So, for the wavy curly girl in your life, think about getting them this awesome diffuser, and if you're not sure if the diffuser will fit their blow dryer, make sure to grab the adapter to go with it. Now, since it is cold and these winter months can kind of dry out our hair, another really good gift would be to pick up a deep conditioner. I cannot tell you how luxurious it feels to clarify and deep condition my hair with a little heat cap. It just feels so good. And this deep conditioner has worked for such a wide range of hair types. I really like this deep conditioner. It is protein free. It is very nourishing, very moisturizing. This works for a ton of different hair types. It's not terribly heavy while also packing that incredible moisture punch. So this is absolutely a really nice gift idea for anyone with the wavy curly hairs. Have you tried this product? Let me know in comments down below. What did you think about this product? Because I have been talking about this for so long. I'm so curious if anyone else has tried it and what they thought. Guys, I feel silly. I completely forgot to share with you what this little device is. This comes with your Strands hair care shampoo and conditioner. I love this scalp scrubber. I use this when I shampoo my hair. I have one similar to this that I already purchased, but now I've given it to my kiddo and it stays in his bathroom, and this one stays with me. I love how bendy the bristles are. They don't hurt my scalp, but they really do help thoroughly cleanse. Now, you may have noticed that I am talking about something in each category for styling and caring for wavy curly hair. I have talked about towels and diffusers. I have talked about shampoo and conditioner and deep conditioners. What I have not talked about are stylers. I think if you are wanting to surprise and bless the wavy curly person in your life, you might consider picking up this combo of stylers for them. This is the Trey Luxe Curl Supreme and the Trey Luxe High Definition Gel. I have had this work for so many different hair types. They are an incredible combination of moisturizing while also containing some protein. If you watched my single styler showdown video, Curl Cream Edition, you'll know that this was my favorite curl cream. And while I haven't had the second edition of the single styler showdown come out yet, where I test out, you know, gels instead of just curl creams, I can tell you that I have used the Trey Luxe High Definition Gel on many occasions, and it has given me consistently good results for a long, long time. I do have a coupon code with Trey Luxe, which will save you 15% off at checkout. I will have links in the description down below. These also smell so dang good. I love the way they smell. They have different scents. It's not like you're buying something with the exact same scent. This one is sweet and a tiny bit musky, but like really light on the musk. It's really good. I like a musk scent. And this just smells straight sweet with a hint of jasmine. It's more of a floral scent, but it's not an overpoweringly floral scent. And I find that they combine so well together, and my hair just has that hint of sweet fragrance all day long after I use these products. The last thing that you can grab for the wavy curly girl in your life, or again, anyone who has hair or skin, is a silk pillowcase. Yes, I know this one's pink. This one is from My K Silk. I have had it for well over a year and a half at this point, and it has really helped improve the health of my hair. And not only does it improve the health of your hair, it also helps your skin out. It helps keep your skin moisturized. It prevents wrinkles, which is something we all want. And I have found that this hasn't been a pain to take care of. I just throw mine in the washing machine with my sheets, and it's been fine. I haven't had to hand wash this. It's been okay. It hasn't changed the texture of it that I can tell. I do, again, have a coupon code from My K Silk. If you want to save 15% off on their website, you are welcome to use this code. They do have different colors, and I really appreciate how high quality their silk is, but they also offer a silk front and a cotton back on some of their pillowcases, which decreases the price, and it keeps the silk pillowcase from slipping around on your bed because the cotton underneath side, you know, helps lock it into place. I haven't noticed a problem with mine, which is silk all the way around, but I also have one of those really heavy foam pillows. Are y'all having fun? Yeah, I'm having fun. But there you go. That is it for this Wavy Curly holiday gift guide. I hope this gave you some really good ideas for gifts to maybe ask for Christmas, or gifts for the wavy curly people in your life. Also, what do y'all think of my shirt? Hold on, let's turn down the light. There, now you can read it. It says, "Curly Girl, I'm working on it." This is one of the Wavy Curly shirts. If you want to pick up a Wavy Curly shirt, check out the link in the description down below. There are some really fun holiday kits that Briogeo is coming out with and Curlsmith are coming out with. But for this video, I really wanted to focus on products that I had tried and thoroughly tested out, and that I have a long history with, that I know work well. But I'm not gonna lie, I personally am eyeing both of these kits for myself. I sure hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it. And if you'd like to hang out with me some more, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. I know, I'm a goofball. If you liked me wearing this Christmas hat in this video, comment down below and let me know what you have on your Christmas list. All right, guys, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!